In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create landing pages in Kajabi in just a matter of minutes. Whether you're a seasoned Kajabi user or this is your first time exploring the platform, I'll guide you through this process seamlessly. Let's start by navigating to Kajabi's website. Open your browser and type in kajabi.com. Once the website loads, locate the login button situated in the upper right corner of the page and click on it. If you're already familiar with Kajabi, this step should be straightforward, but if it's your first go, rest assured it's as simple as it sounds. After you click on login, you'll need to log in using either your email or your Google account. This step conveniently ensures that all your work is saved under your account and allows you to access these features. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Kajabi dashboard. This is your control center from where you'll manage all your website needs. Proceed to the website tab in the navigation menu of your dashboard. This is where the magic begins. You'll notice an option that allows you to choose between website pages or landing pages. Consider what works best for your objective. While website pages are more extensive, for today's purpose we'll focus on the precise and targeted landing pages. Go ahead and select landing pages from the available options. Look for the page type drop-down menu at the top and select landing. This is pivotal as it prepares the platform to know the kind of page you aim to create. Having that set, we're ready for the real fun. Now click the plus new landing page button to initiate your creation. At this point you're faced with an array of templates. Feel free to choose one that aligns with your brand's aesthetic, or if you prefer a blank canvas to flex your creative muscles, you can opt for that too. Both approaches are equally viable, it all hinges on your comfort level and vision. Once a template is selected, begin customizing your page. This is where you adjust colors, fonts, layout elements, and add the content that will make your page pop. Think about your target audience and tailor your design to captivate their attention. After you've poured your creativity into the design, it's essential to set a page title. This is crucial as the title will be displayed in the browser tab and form part of your URL, making it a key element for both identification and search optimization. Finally, with all these pieces in place, click the Create button. This action finalizes the crafting of your landing page and deploys it on your website for all to see. Congratulations, you've just created a compelling landing page in Kajabi. You're now equipped to repeat this process as your needs grow, affording you an advantage in the digital space. Keep experimenting and refining your approach. Happy designing.